Hello and welcome back to FX Street YouTube channel. If you enjoy the content that we put out, just make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. If you like what I do, you can follow me on Twitter at Mangyako with the 0 at the end. So today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. On a 1 hour time frame, you can see right now, Bitcoin is already swept above its Monday's high at 47,565, and it's edging closer towards last Monday's high at 49,387. But I believe it's gonna, if it ever does go above here, I believe it's gonna collect liquidity resting above these double top that was formed here. So there is a chance Bitcoin could retest or come extremely close to retesting the 50,000 psychological level, which is here. So this is what I'm expecting. We get a retest of this, and if we're lucky, this could extend all the way up to 53,100, 51,000, and then 53,000, like I mentioned in a lot of the other videos. But if we do not, if the momentum exhausts around the 50,000 psychological level, then I'm expecting Bitcoin to head lower and sweep the 1 day's low at 45,550. So this is what I'm expecting for the rest of the week for Bitcoin. So it depends on where Bitcoin is actually going to form the top. That's all I have to say for Bitcoin, actually, from a lower time frame perspective. But if I want to move to a higher time frame, so the last time, I think it was on Friday, I mentioned that Bitcoin is consolidating between the 21 weekly moving average and the 50 weekly moving average. It's stuck between these two levels, and this week we're seeing a good red candle develop, and it's more than it's covered already 50% of the previous red candle's body. If it does produce a close above 50,102, it would be a bullish engulfing candle, which would set up a bullish outlook for Bitcoin, considering after, at least after this particular nasty drop that we saw here in on November 29th, or the first week of December. So it'll be really interesting to see how the weekly candle closes here. But regardless, like I mentioned in the Friday's Bitcoin weekly forecast, I am expecting Bitcoin to head lower, at least towards the 40,000 level here, and collect liquidity resting below these lows over here. That's what I'm expecting from Bitcoin. But if we get a daily close above the 21-week moving average at 51,475, then there's a good chance Bitcoin is going to retest 53,709, which I just briefly explained in a 1 hour time frame. And in an extremely bullish case scenario, if Bitcoin produces a higher high above 57,845, then I'm expecting the momentum to carry it up and probably retest the all-time high, creating some sort of a triple top setup here, where this could be the first tap, this would be the second tap, and if we do get a close above 57,845, then I'm expecting something like this tap here, which would be the third tap, and then finally head lower. This could be a good top reversal pattern. So that's all I have for Bitcoin from a short time frame and a higher time frame perspective. If you enjoyed this analysis, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.